my diamond art peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. And if you are new to this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are returning, as always, thank you so much for your continuing support. This is going to be an unboxing, and also I got some, I would say, happy mail. Miranda from Diamond Painting with the Besties did a D-stash about a month ago, and I bought one partial from her, and then she said she was going to send me some extra stuff, so we'll see what that is. But before I start this, I wanted to make an announcement. I was supposed to do it in my last video and totally forgot. So as you probably have seen, there have been a Laura from Crafty Chef Diamonds did a Disney paint along, and so I am going to do one in November. So that's my announcement. I am going to do one in November, and it is going to be cats. Now I am personally going to do Hello Kitty, because if you guys know, I am a huge Hello Kitty fan. But it can be any kind of cat that you want. You can be a animation one, or it can be a real tigers, real kitties, real whatever. So I wanted to let you know well enough in advance so that you can get your canvases ready. And it's going to start November 1st. And so that's it. So I'm going to call it Hello Kitty, but you can do whatever you want. Okay? All right. So we will just get right into it. So here is my big old box that she sent. And I kind of opened it just to kind of peek in it, but I have not pulled out anything. Nothing. All right. So we got this. All right. So this is actually, and I'm going to put this aside. This is actually what I ordered from her. And I can't wait to get in to see this. Okay. Oh, look. Now she said that the frame was kind of beat up, which is fine, because I'm going to see if I can have a friend help me repair it. So put all this over here. So here is the picture. Oh, it's so neat. And I have another sugar skull that I will do. Oh, good stick. Good stick. So it's just the sugar skull and the kitty. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then here are the drills. Oh, I have seen this one detailed. I mean, for a partial. Got a legend. And this is from Diamond Dots. So it's 24 colors. And it, oh no, I thought these were removable. I think they, no, they're not, which is fine. So it's 24 colors, and it's got the Diamond Dots numbers, and it's symbols and numbers. So that's cool. And then here are the drills. Ooh, these are pretty. Those are really pretty. Yes. So There's blue, looks like orange. And these are a bigger one. And I bet this is number 15. Oh, and it even comes with the little twine that you can put it up. Words are so hard. Oh, love it. Oh, I don't know whoever's showing to over there. So it's red and a really dark blue. Oh, look at these. I love them. And yellows. And then, so it's 24 colors of drills and special shapes, crystals and special shapes. Oh, it is pretty. Lime. That is starting to become my favorite color. Oh, and these have ABs, yellow ABs, which stands for Aurora Borealis. Oh, so pretty. Well, thank you, Miranda. I am going to do this in October. I have another partial of a sugar skull that I got for Craftedly. And so I am going to be doing both of these. Oh, and it even gives you the hardware to hang it. Cool. All right. So cool, so cool, so cool. All right, so I'm going to move this over to the side. And then I'm going to take out this. I think that's all. It says, thank you for being a friend. Oh, and it's got the Golden Girls sticker. That's so cute. All right. We're going to get into this. And I'm just going to pull this out. Oh, wow. She said a lot. Oh, Miranda. Drills for everything. You did not have to do this. This is so sweet. I think I've seen Christopher Colosso do this one. It's really crisp. So like yin yangs of dragons. And this is from Diamond, God, I cannot talk today. Diamond Art. So this is a 30 by 30 and it has 5 colors. And this is K239, and here are the drills right here. K239. Oh, look at these big domes here. Gold domes. Oh, doggone slithers. But you know, these are small enough that you can pick them up with your single placer. So that's the only reason I'm not screaming. So there's that. Oh, someone just did this. Someone, I can't remember, I just saw this. A hummingbird. This is my first hummingbird. This is really nice. And this is from One Day Savings, because you wrote on where they're from. This is a 30 by 30 and it has 11 different colors, shapes, and drills. Oh my gosh, how pretty, how pretty. Okay, so this is GT016. Yes, and then here are the drills. Oh, how pretty. Look at those, they're so pretty. I cannot wait to work on these. So you guys, I took off of work Friday. I just put in for a personal day, and I am calling it my partial day. So I am going to be working on some of these. Okay, oh, look at these owls. I love them. This is from One Day Savings as well. This is a 30 by 30 and it has 8 different colors and shapes and special shapes. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, so this is WQ13. And then here are the drills. Oh, Miranda, you just did too much. This is so incredibly sweet. So I'm definitely saying this is Happy Mail. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. All right. Oh, look at this. So this gives me like Native American vibes. This is a 30 by 30, 11 different colors, crystals, and special shapes. I love it. I have not even touched the stick, but I know it's good. Oh, really good. Okay, so this is WQ039. I just saw this. Look at those colors. I may have to start on a couple of these today. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh, I love it. Oh my God. She sent me. Look at this. A mandala. This is from, I think this is Diamond Art. And this is a 30 by 30 and it has 7 colors. And I think there's another Diamond Art. I can't think of the full name, but we'll just go with that, Diamond Art. That's so pretty. Okay, so this is YN069. YN069. I am not. Oh, here it is. YN069. Diamond Art Gifts. That's it. That is it. Look at those white domes. And it has marquees. Oh my gosh. So. And a AB. It's like a really dark blue AB. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my God. Now I am almost certain that I know that Christopher did this one. Oh, how pretty. Oh, pretty. Now this is a 30 by 40 and it has 6 different colors, crystals, and shapes. Oh, how pretty. I loved when Christopher did it. All right, so this is LY027. Oh my gosh. So Friday is going to be partial day. I'm going to take a break from my big canvas that I'm working on and do partials all day long. I do have a hair appointment at 1, but that will be my only thing. And the last one, oh my gosh, look at that bill. Oh my gosh, this is a 30 by 40 and it has 9 different colors and shapes. Oh my gosh, look at that. And then here are the drills. Oh, how pretty. Beautiful. I know Christopher did this one too. Christopher is the one that really got me. I was doing partials before, but not that many, but I was watching his channel and he does a lot of partials. So he's the one that kind of got me into that. And Miranda is the one that really got me into wanting to do more dark art. So I am just ecstatic. So that is my haul. Oh, I love these. Oh, Miranda, thank you so much. If you have not seen Diamond Painting with the Besties, please go check out her channel. She is just absolutely wonderful. And if you haven't seen Christopher Colossus' channel, please check him out as well. And you can see all the different kinds of partials that he does. So that's it. So don't forget, guys, November 1st is the Hello Kitty paint along. And like I said, you can do any type of cat that you want, animated or not. And if you don't have any cats, you can do whatever you want. You can do a dog. I don't care. It's just another way of us getting to meet other people in the diamond art community, and that's it. All right, so that is my video for today. If you like this content, if you'll hit that like button on the way out, I would appreciate it. If you would like to become a part of my Struggle Bus family, please hit that subscription button and the bell to be notified anytime, each and every time that I put out a video. And I hope that you have a great rest of your day. It is Tuesday, July the 17th. It is 11:52 and it's already 90. I think my car's at 92 degrees. It is supposed to be triple digits today and tomorrow with a heat index of 109. So this is where I am staying until about 5:30 when I go to the gym. But other than that, I am not leaving my apartment. Okay, guys. Like I said, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.